clouds up in the sky. Little birds, they flutter by, singing songs up in the air. Every day without a care. Clouds and birds, they dance around, flying high above the ground. Twirl and swirl with all their might in the morning light so bright. Feathers glowing in the sun, wings that spread for endless fun. Dreams take flight with every beat. Soar above the busy street. Clouds and birds, they dance around, flying high above the ground. Twirl and swirl with all their might in the morning light so bright. Chirp and cheep, they greet the day. Nature's quiet.